painless procedure.
And then a simple wave of your hand will be your pathway into my inner sanctum. You will be well taken care of.
I want his ultra-pure stone technique.
In every tool of my collection.
That's towards the yellow line, all the way to the yellow line left side.
I now present to you Tannelia Travon's private office.
Friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's mute this guy. Hearing your insistent blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ouch! Oh, but that was not part of the plan! What? Of course I escaped! For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Oh. Okay, raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show you got clearance, let's roll.
kept hitting them.
Meeting you was interesting. I look forward to seeing you again. You're gonna go.
Okay.
Okay, everybody put your hands in the air. Wave her out. Nice. Shake it out. Okay. Stretch out because we're about to dance. This looks good. How about this? Roll it up. Nice. And bring it down. I love it. And bring it up. Yes. And bring it down. All right, here we go. Raise the roof, everybody. How we doing?
This plan isn't working.
Hey, Quill! You out there? Come in! Quill! What's taking you guys so long?
Hey, Trash Panda.